That's right. This Sunday at TLC, William Regal and Drew McIntyre will face Ezekiel Jackson and Christian for the WWE Tag Team titles. And Layla will face Natalya for her Divas Championship. So up next, all 6 of these competitors will face off in a mixed tag team match. Well, King, I guess your holiday wishes came true. The ladies will be starting this one off. And King, what's that over your head?
Well, it's mistletoe, of course. Come on, Natalya. Throw Layla over this way.
The power of Natalya. Nice counter. She's incredibly fast, is Layla. Frankensteiner.
Oh, that really was a beautiful move. Watch out here.
That move will knock the wind right out of you.
This has been a very methodical attack.
She's in bad shape here. She's got to make the tag.
She's going high risk again. Wow, what a move!
Tremendous action in this match. A scintillating maneuver. The action in this has been fast and furious.
My goodness, how wicked is Layla? Seriously, I really want to know, Michael. Do you think she'll show me? What a jump!
That should do it right there. 1, and there's still plenty of fight left. If you're just tuning in, Michael Cole, along with WWE Hall of Famer Jerry the King Lawler, welcoming you to this amazing sold-out event. That was absolutely a thing of beauty. This match just... Wow, what a kick by Layla. Will it be?
Layla's got her.
What a nasty neck breaker by Layla. 1, 2, 3. Layla wins. They did it tonight, King, but can the UK win again on Sunday?
Well, they have a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity.